Butter. We love it on toast and cookies and melted over popcorn. This creamy delight adds flavor and richness to our meals. But have you ever wondered how butter goes from the farm to your refrigerator? Let's take a peek inside a butter factory and find out. We'll explore the journey of butter step by step. From dairy farms to the grocery store, it's a fascinating process. Get ready to learn some fun facts about everyone's favorite spread. Let's get churning. Butter has been around for centuries. Its origins trace back to ancient civilizations, where it was not just a food item but also a symbol of prosperity and abundance. From the earliest days, butter has played a significant role in human culture and cuisine. Early humans likely discovered it by accident. Imagine our ancestors carrying milk in animal skins or primitive containers, embarking on long journeys. The constant movement and agitation of the milk would have caused the cream to separate and churn into butter. Imagine a bumpy ride with a container of milk. The jostling and shaking would have naturally churned the cream, leading to the discovery of this delightful substance. This serendipitous event marked the beginning of butter making. The movement would churn the cream into butter. This accidental discovery soon became a deliberate process. People began to understand that by agitating cream they could produce butter, a product that was not only delicious but also had a longer shelf life than milk. Early butter making used simple tools. These tools were often made from materials readily available in their environment. Simple wooden paddles, clay pots, and even animal skins were used to churn the cream into butter. People used clay pots or animal skins. These containers were filled with cream and then shaken or agitated until butter formed. This method was labor-intensive but effective, and it laid the foundation for more advanced butter-making techniques. They agitated the cream to separate the butter. Over time, methods evolved. Wooden churns became common. These churns were more efficient and allowed for larger quantities of butter to be produced. The process became more refined, but the basic principle remained the same. Whether using simple tools or more advanced equipment, the goal was always to separate the butterfat from the buttermilk. This fundamental process has stood the test of time, remaining largely unchanged for centuries. Today, factories produce butter on a large scale. Modern technology has revolutionized butter production, making it faster and more efficient. Large machines now handle the churning process, producing vast quantities of butter to meet global demand. But the goal remains the same: to create that delicious creamy goodness we all know and love. Despite the advancements in technology, the essence of butter making has not changed. It continues to be a beloved staple in kitchens around the world, cherished for its rich flavor and versatility. Our butter journey begins at the dairy farm. Here, amidst the serene countryside, cows graze peacefully on lush green pastures. These farms are the heart of our butter-making process, where the journey of milk begins. The cows are well taken care of, ensuring they are healthy and happy, which in turn ensures the milk they produce is of the highest quality. The farmers work tirelessly, day in and day out, to maintain the best conditions for their livestock. Cows graze in pastures, producing fresh milk. The grass they eat is rich in nutrients, which directly impacts the quality of the milk. The open fields allow the cows to roam freely, promoting their well-being and resulting in milk that is not only fresh but also rich in flavor. This milk is the foundation of our butter, and its journey from the farm to your table is a testament to the dedication of the farmers. Tanker trucks collect the milk from different farms. These trucks are specially designed to ensure that the milk remains fresh during transportation. Each farm's milk is carefully collected and transported to the processing facility. The journey of the milk is meticulously planned to ensure that it reaches the factory in the best possible condition. The drivers play a crucial role in this process, navigating through various terrains to collect the milk. The trucks are like giant refrigerators on wheels, keeping the milk cold. This refrigeration system is essential to maintain the milk's freshness and prevent spoilage. The temperature is constantly monitored to ensure that the milk remains at the optimal temperature throughout its journey. This technology is a critical part of the process, ensuring that the milk's quality is preserved from the farm to the factory. At the factory, the milk is carefully inspected. Quality control is a top priority, and each batch of milk undergoes rigorous testing. The milk is tested for various parameters, including fat content, purity, and taste. This ensures that only the best milk is used for butter making. The lab technicians and quality control experts work diligently to maintain the highest standards. It needs to be top quality for butter making. The testing process is thorough, and any milk that does not meet the standards is rejected. This ensures that the final product is of the highest quality. The commitment to quality is evident in every step of the process, from the farm to the factory. Only the best milk will do. The approved milk is then prepared for the next stage of the process. This milk is rich, creamy, and perfect for making butter. The quality control team ensures that every drop of milk meets the stringent standards set by the factory. Once approved, the milk is pumped into storage tanks. These tanks are designed to keep the milk fresh and ready for processing. The milk is stored under optimal conditions to ensure that its quality is maintained. The storage tanks are a crucial part of the process, providing a safe and controlled environment for the milk. These enormous tanks hold thousands of gallons of milk, ready for the next stage of the butter-making process. The milk is now ready to be transformed into delicious, creamy butter. The journey from the farm to the factory is just the beginning, and the next steps will bring us closer to the final product that we all love. Now the real magic happens. First, the milk is separated. A machine called a centrifuge spins the milk at high speed. This separates the lighter cream from the heavier skim milk. The cream is then pasteurized. This heating process kills any harmful bacteria. Next comes the fun part, churning. Large stainless steel drums churn the cream. As the cream spins, tiny butterfat droplets clump together. This forms butter granules and buttermilk. The buttermilk is drained away, leaving us with the butter we know and love. Section 5. The wheels of production butter-making machinery. Modern butter factories rely on impressive machinery. We already met the centrifuge, which separates the cream. Then there's the pasteurizer, which ensures the safety of the butter. And of course, the churning drums are the heart of the operation. But it doesn't stop there. Conveyor belts transport the butter for further processing. Machines cut and shape the butter into familiar sticks, tubs, and blocks. Sophisticated packaging systems wrap and seal the butter, keeping it fresh and protected. Section 6. Quality first, ensuring butter perfection. Throughout the butter-making process, quality control is key. Technicians test the milk and cream at every stage. They check for flavor, texture, and composition. Only the highest quality butter makes it to your table. The factory follows strict hygiene standards. Everything is spotlessly clean. Regular inspections ensure that the equipment is in top condition. This attention to detail guarantees a safe and delicious product for everyone. Section 7. Ready for retail packaging, the golden spread. The finished butter is now ready for its final destination, your kitchen. Packaging plays a vital role in preserving the freshness and quality of the butter. Machines wrap the butter in airtight packaging. This prevents spoilage and protects the flavor. The packaged butter is then labeled with important information. This includes the expiration date, nutritional facts, and ingredients. Finally, the butter is loaded onto trucks and shipped to supermarkets and grocery stores near you. Section 8. Butter Up, a world of culinary delights. Butter is a truly versatile ingredient. It's a staple in many households and professional kitchens alike. From the simplest of meals to the most elaborate gourmet dishes, butter plays a crucial role in enhancing flavors and textures. Its creamy consistency and rich taste make it an indispensable component in a wide array of recipes. We use it in countless sweet and savory dishes. Imagine a warm, freshly baked cookie without that melt-in-your-mouth buttery goodness, or a slice of bread without a generous spread of butter. It's hard to picture, isn't it? Butter brings a certain magic to our culinary creations, making them more indulgent and satisfying. From baking cakes and cookies to sautéing vegetables and basting meats, butter is a key player in the kitchen. It helps in creating the perfect texture in baked goods, giving them a tender crumb and a delightful flavor. When used in cooking, it adds a layer of richness that elevates the dish to new heights. Butter adds richness and depth of flavor. It's the secret behind the velvety smoothness of sauces and the golden brown crust on a perfectly seared piece of meat. The way it melts and blends with other ingredients is nothing short of culinary alchemy. Each culture has its unique ways of using butter. In some cuisines, it's a foundational element, while in others, it's used more sparingly, but still with great impact. The versatility of butter allows it to transcend cultural boundaries and become a beloved ingredient worldwide. In India, it's a key ingredient in creamy curries. The addition of butter or ghee gives these dishes their signature richness and depth, making them incredibly satisfying and flavorful. It's a tradition that has been passed down through generations, showcasing the timeless appeal of butter in Indian cuisine. In France, it's essential for flaky pastries. The art of French baking is renowned worldwide, and butter is at the heart of it. From croissants to brioche, the use of high-quality butter is what gives these pastries their delicate layers and irresistible taste. It's a testament to the importance of butter in creating culinary masterpieces. And in America, it's the star of the breakfast table. Whether it's spread on toast, melted over pancakes, or used to cook up a batch of fluffy scrambled eggs, butter is a morning essential. It brings comfort and warmth to the start of the day, making breakfast a meal to look forward to. Whether it's spread on toast, melted over vegetables, or used to finish a sauce, butter has a way of making everything taste better. Its ability to enhance and complement other flavors is unmatched, making it a go-to ingredient for chefs and home cooks alike, or baked into a delicious dessert. Butter is the key to achieving that perfect balance of flavor and texture. It's what makes pastries tender, cookies chewy, and cakes moist. The role of butter in baking cannot be overstated. It's the cornerstone of many beloved treats. Butter continues to be a beloved staple in kitchens around the world. Its universal appeal and versatility make it an essential ingredient in countless recipes. From the simplest dishes to the most complex culinary creations, butter's role in the kitchen is irreplaceable. It's a testament to its enduring popularity and the joy it brings to our meals.